everyone, it's been a while and I've missed you. Today I want to show you how I created this olive tree. As I was looking through Pinterest for inspiration for my bedroom, I wanted to redecorate my bedroom. I saw this beautiful picture with an olive tree in the bedroom, and I thought this is exactly the look and feel I want for my room. So I was shopping then online for an olive tree. The ones I saw are so pricey, but I did find one at Builders. It was about 1.3, and I thought, okay, that's the one I'm gonna go for. But just before I took the time to go there, I found videos on YouTube that actually people have created their own olive trees. I was so excited to do this, to see this, because I do love DIYs and I enjoy exploring my creative side. So there's a video by Newell Tate and Emily Faith. I'll link them below. And there are also a few others who've done the same DIYs. And those were my inspiration to create this. So I'll take you through the process of how I managed to create my own olive tree. And I'm happy to say I love the results. It's exactly what I was looking for.
So these are the tools and items you will need to make this tree. I got my olive branches at Value Call. I ended up seeing that the glue gun didn't work so well, but I did use it to try and hold the leaves together. Here's my son helping me get the tree branch from church. So you can get the shape that you would want for your tree to be. You are able to trim it as you wish. This was my first try, of course. As I'm watching this, I have made a few changes even to the tree just to give it some shape and structure. But there's me breaking off the branches that I don't need and just trying to remove even the leaves, giving it some shape. So that just took a while. The idea is just to have only the branches and getting rid of the leaves. And even when you do have the branches, you can just trim them up so that they do not look awkward when you now put your fake or your artificial leaves. So I used a 3mm drill bit, the wood one, to just drill some holes so that I just slot in those leaves. So those leaves have a wire inside that they come with. So that wire is the one that will then get into the hole that you've drilled in. So you must try and put the leaf or branch at a natural spot where there were already some branches coming out. So that's what I've done. Where I see that there is a branch coming out, I would then drill a hole in there, put in the leaf. Sometimes I will leave the branch, the smaller one, or remove it. But it will take shape as you go along, and you can just use your creativity and drill where it's needed. Just be careful. I think I did hit myself there with a drill. Just be very careful with that. So I'm using the knife just to trim the artificial leaves, taking off the plastic that normally covers it, so that I'm just left with the wire, as it is very easy to work with the wire, bend it as you wish. So as you can see, the wire has come in on the hole. This is where I thought I need a glue gun to just let it sit in straight. And I did use the glue gun to sit in straight. One thing about it, it doesn't look very neat. It just looks horrible with that white glue. I ended up removing it later on. I will show you how the tree looks currently. But this was the process that I went through as I was making the tree. So that is me trying to put everything together. And that's how the tree looks like. It has taken shape with all the leaves and the branches. So what I need now is just to make the base for the tree, and I just bought some quick drying mosaic cement at Builders to make a mixture that I will ensure that the cement holds the base of the tree. So I've mixed that in with some water, and I put in my tree on there. Just cleaning that up a bit. I got that bucket, I think, for 8 Rand or 10 Rand at Westpac. So I'm just putting sellotape around to hold that tree in the middle. And there is how my tree looks like. So you can see the tree is a bit trimmer. I had to pull it together using some wires so that it fits in the space in my bedroom. I've got that beautiful basket from Basketly, and I love how the tree came together. Still enjoying it.